Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Grammar Lesson 4 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about the accusative case. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. The case system is a set of endings that indicate their function and relationship to other words in a sentence. For example, in the accusative case you would say Я знаю ее, not я знаю она. I know her, not I know she. Her is the accusative of she. For example, I read a book.
Я читал книгу.
Not
Я читал книга.
Knigu is the accusative of kniga. There is a strict sentence structure in English: subject plus verb plus object. In Russian, the subject can be placed anywhere in the sentence. For example, Ivan knows me, where Ivan is the subject, знает is the verb, and меня is the object. I read a book, where я is the subject, читал is the verb, and книгу is the object. Or you can say, with the same meaning,
Меня знает Иван. Книгу читал я.
where the object is at the beginning of the sentence. Compare the nominative subjective case with the accusative objective case. The book is lying on the table.
Книга лежит на столе.
Kniga is in the nominative subjective case and is the subject of the sentence. I am reading a book.
Я читаю книгу.
Here, я is the subject and knigu is the object. A magazine is lying on the table.
Журнал лежит на столе.
Journal is the subject. He is reading a magazine.
Он читает журнал.
Here, journal is the object. On is the subject. The husband was at home.
Муж был дома.
Mush is the subject. She loves her husband.
Она любит мужа.
Muzha is the object. Она is the subject. The question method can be used for determining cases in which a question is asked to the required word. Compare the subjective and objective cases.
Чай был вкусный.
The tea was tasty. What
Что?
was tasty? Chai.
Спасибо за чай.
Thank you for the tea. For what?
За что?
The chai.
Минута бережет час.
A minute saves an hour. What saves an hour? Minuta is the subject.
Подождите минуту.
Wait a minute. What is the amount of time to wait? Minutu is the object. Questions in the accusative case.
Куда?
Where, meaning direction.
Кого?
Whom.
Что?
What. In the accusative case, sometimes there are prepositions in front of the noun. For example,
За, про, через, в, на.
a bridge over the river?
Мост через реку.
What is the bridge over?
Через реку.
Is the object. Most is the subject.
Налить в стакан.
Pour it into a glass. The стакан is the object.
Я положил на стол.
I put it on the table. На стол is the object. Я is the subject.
Я знал про студента.
I knew about the student.
Про студента
Is the object, and я is the subject. Compare questions for the prepositional locational case and the accusative objective case. Where
где?
is used in reference to location. Where
Куда?
is used in reference to directed motion. The book is on the table.
Книга лежит на столе.
Where is the book? На столе. This is location.
Я положил книгу на стол.
I put the book on the table. Where did I put the book?
На стол.
This is direction.
Журнал лежит в сумке.
The magazine is in the bag. The sumke, this is location.
Он положил в сумку.
He put it in the bag. The sumku, this is direction. Endings in the accusative case depend on gender. Nouns can be animate, people and animals, which answers the question.
Кого?
In the masculine gender, change the soft sign and the short e for ya and add a to consonant endings. In the feminine gender, change endings a for
У.
and ya for
Ю.
inanimate nouns, things, answers the question что. Inanimate nouns in the masculine and neuter genders do not change their endings. Pronouns in the accusative case.
Я.
I,
Меня.
me,
Ты.
you,
Тебя.
you,
Он.
he,
Его.
him,
Она.
she,
Ее.
her,
Оно.
it,
Его.
it,
Мы.
we,
Нас.
us,
Вы.
you,
Вас.
you,
Они.
they,
Их.
them.
Я знаю тебя.
I know you. Whom do I know?
Тебя. Он знает меня.
He knows me. Whom does he know?
Меня. Мы знаем вас.
We know you. Whom do we know?
Вас. Она знает нас.
She knows us. Whom does she know?
Нас.
Тебя, меня, вас, and нас are all objective. Я, me, on, and она are all subjective. In this lesson, you have learned about the accusative case. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.